funny.
I grinded for this cave, and there was a bunch of iron, and now I got 2 iron from the whole cave.
Speaking of grinding.
Oh my god. Why are you both dream?
Change. It'll change.
What?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What is happening? This is just Satmap, get off me!
No.
Oh my god. I'm leaving. I'm just leaving, you guys. I'm leaving. I don't need to stay here. What?
Whoa, Jordan. Check this out. This isn't even a part of it. Ready?
Oh my god. What? It's just a million George not founds.
Oh wait, I got a good one. I got a good one.
No, that is the dumbest thing. Okay. George laughed! That was a laugh! That was definitely a laugh! That was a laugh! Why was it so fun?
He's laughing 100%.
He's going crazy! No!
Yes, he lost a life.
I have 2 whole lives, and I will last till the end of the video.
George, you have to turn around in 3, 2, 1. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Stop! Stop!
George is laughing. George is laughing.
I'm not laughing.